Imagine an airplane covered in soft white fur with a cat's head soaring through the clouds and stretching in a sleepy yawn. Now imagine a midnight black cat aircraft yawning as it glides effortlessly across the sky. Picture a playful orange tabby cat airplane yawning under the warm sun and above the sea of white clouds. Even a fluffy golden dog airplane can yawn as it chases the sunset far above the mountains. A rabbit plane with spotted fur and big ears yawns as it drifts above a patchwork of fields and clouds.